Now let us construct a non-deterministic finite automata that accepts the strings represented by regular expressions a followed by a or b the whole star followed by ab. So the string begins with a and it can have any number of a or b's and it should end with a ab. So now let us construct a finite automata using JFlap. First, let us have one initial state. The string to be accepted should have A as the first character. So let us have a transition from initial state to another state on A. Then there may be A or B 0 or more number of times. So we can have a self loop for A comma B. So any number of times this A's and B's may appear after A, and now it should be followed by AB. So we can have a transition for one more A and for a B. Therefore, from Q1 on A, from Q2 to Q3 on B. So we see that if A or B doesn't appear in the string, then the string to be accepted is A followed by AB. Then in between, if any number of A's or B's one time or many times if it appears, then we will be in the same state Q1, and in order to reach the final state, the machine has to read a single AB again. Now Q3 is our final state. So we see that in state Q1 we have two transitions. One transition is from Q1 to Q1 itself on A and Q1 to Q2 on A. Therefore, this type of machine which has more than one transition on a single input, we call it as non-deterministic finite automata. Therefore, this is a basic model of non-deterministic finite automata. Now we can have the other possibilities on every state. So in Q0, suppose if we get an input string as B, then that should not be accepted by this machine as per the given regular expression. Therefore, so we can have a sync state to which the transition for B is given, and this sync state will never reach the final state. Then similarly, now Q1 we wrote the possibilities of A's and B's. Now in Q2, if it reads a second A, then it means that it is like A followed by any number of A's. Therefore, if it reads a A here, then we can have as a self loop. So now people might ask whether this would be violating the rule of ending with single AB. In that, suppose if we have more A's, then it can be in Q1 or it can be in Q2, but anyhow this single A is read. Suppose if this is not, if it is not repeated, the machine ends with single AB. If it has many A's, then it goes in hand with A or B the whole star quotient. Therefore, we can have a self loop here instead of going to a sync state. Now, after reading this AB, in state Q3, if the machine reads A or B, then it should not be accepted as per the regular expression. After reading AB, no string should be followed. Therefore, in Q3, if the machine reads A or B, then it goes to a sync state. Similarly, in Q4, if it reads A or B, then it will be in sync state. So all the strings that beginning with B will not be accepted. Similarly, all the strings that follow AB after reading the final AB also will not be accepted. So this is a NFA corresponding to the regular expression given by A followed by A or B the whole star followed by AB.